Shitali Pranayama, also known as Shitkari Pranayama. Please note, the pronunciation is not Sitali Pranayama. Correct pronunciation is Shitali Pranayama. Shitali Pranayama. Guide to pronunciations. Letter A in Sanskrit sounds like A. A with line on top sounds like A. Word is prana. Prana means breath of life or vital air. Prana ayama is pranayama. Pranayama means regulation of breath. When the involuntary action of breathing is converted to a voluntary action, it is called pranayama. Pranayama is regulating the movement of prana voluntarily. All physiological activities are due to prana. With regulation of prana, pranayama, which is the fourth limb of Ashtanga Yoga, all physical activities and the flow of thoughts, the mind, can be regulated. Shitali Pranayama. Please note, letter S with a line on top sounds like sh as in shine. Shitali Pranayama. Here the word Shital. Shital means cold or cool. Pranayama is breath regulation. Shital, cold or cool. Shitkari also means the same, coming from the same root word shital, cold or cool. Shitali Pranayama or Shitkari Pranayama. Shitali Pranayama. Shitali Pranayama is done with rolling of the tongue, creating a tube to inhale through the tongue. Shitkari Pranayama, the variation according to BKS Iyengar is, in Shitkari, which is a slight variation from Shitali, Shitkari is done without curling of the tongue. Cooling breath, Shitali or Shitkari, is the cooling breath technique. Benefits are: daily practice of Shitali Pranayama can bring harmony in the body system and calms the mind. Shitali Pranayama cools the system, soothes eyes and ears. This technique is beneficial for people with high blood pressure. However, one should avoid Antara Kumbhaka. It helps to activate the liver and the spleen and promotes digestion. It helps to control excessive hunger and thirst. Shitali Pranayama or Shitkari Pranayama. Pranayama. Some of the important words for pranayama technique are: first is pranayama, puraka. Puraka is filling breath in through the nostril. Rechaka. Rechaka is emptying breath from the nostril. Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka is stopping or holding breath. Antara Kumbhaka. Bahya Kumbhaka. Antara Kumbhaka, Bahya Kumbhaka. Techniques of pranayama are: Kapalabhati, Kapalabhati, Bhastrika, Bhastrika, Nadi Shodhana, Nadi Shodhana,